Welcome to 16 Westacott Crescent, an immaculate 4-bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within Northwest Ajax's Nottingham community. Stone garden beds, blue window shutters, and a stone facade enhance the exceptional curb appeal of the home. And through its double-door entry is a main level showcasing elegant and tastefully decorated principal rooms, and directly off the foyer is the formal living room. Open to the dining area and brightened with natural lighting, this beautiful entertaining space has the lovely accent of crown moldings as well as the rich warmth of hardwood flooring, both which are also featured in the formal dining room. Hardwood flooring is also found throughout the main hallway, off of which are beautiful oak hardwood staircases with carpet runners and Victorian-style railings to the upper and lower levels, as well as the main entry into the kitchen area. A superb work and family space, the kitchen showcases pendant lighting above the center island, quartz counters, ceramic flooring, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances, including fridge with bottom mount freezer, oven with smooth cooktop, over-the-range microwave, and dishwasher. Direct access into the dining room is a great entertaining convenience, and completing the kitchen is wood cabinetry with undermount and above cabinet accent lighting, extended height uppers, as well as a standalone pantry that complements the already abundant storage space. The breakfast area bridges the space between the kitchen and family room, and through its oversized sliding door walkout is a large backyard deck that steps down to an interlocking patio area, offering wonderful outdoor entertaining space. Finished with hardwood flooring, the family room has a warm and inviting atmosphere and centers itself around the coziness of a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantel. Off the main hallway, and completing this level, is a private home office with broadloom and track lighting, a sunken laundry room with ceramic flooring, washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, access to the garage, and a secondary entrance into the home, as well as a double coat closet and a powder room with pedestal sink. Staircase windows bring natural light into the upper hall, and this level features hardwood flooring in the hallway, 4 spacious bedrooms with the coziness of broadloom, as well as 3 washrooms, all with vanities with quartz counters. Ideal as a guest suite, the 4th bedroom has a double closet, as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes and a glass shower. The 2nd and 3rd bedrooms also have double closets, and both share a 4-piece main washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and with the linen closet conveniently located right outside its door. Through a double-door entry is the elegant master bedroom. This beautiful personal space showcases his and her walk-in closets and its 5-piece ensuite washroom is complete with ceramic finishes throughout, crown moldings, a corner tub, toilet and bidet, as well as a glass shower. This home also features exterior pot lighting, a double-car garage with opener and remotes, an in-ground sprinkler system, as well as interlocking driveway curbs and a walkway to the backyard, which is fully fenced and has a garden shed. And included with the home are all the existing ceiling light fixtures and window treatments, as well as central air conditioning and a central vacuum system. The lower level is fully finished, has broadloom throughout, as well as great storage space. And while very open, a short hallway separates it into 2 distinctive, as well as generously sized, recreation areas. The main recreation area is brightened with pot lighting and offers exceptional family and entertaining space, while ceiling panel lighting is found in the secondary recreation area, which is well suited to meet personal family needs such as utility, workshop, craft, or workout space. Situated within a family-minded neighborhood, this home is a short walk to Nottingham Public and St. Andre Bessette Catholic Elementary Schools, nature trails, parks and a pond, public transit, as well as a local shopping plaza, while community and recreational facilities, golf courses and conservation areas, big box plazas, as well as access to highways 401 and the 407 are all short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.